Today we are replacing all these so-called boob lights with much nicer lighting here at this rental unit. So this is what they look like currently. Obviously we don't like those, so we're going to be swapping them out and we'll come walk you through what they're going to look like after. So you're going to locate your breaker box, which is a lot of times in the garage or the outside house. You're going to shut off your main power. So as you can see, we just painted the first coat on where the existing lighting housing was, because the new housing is much smaller, lower profile than the old one. So we want to make sure that we covered any of the old paint that was here before we repaint this house. So we'll be doing another coat of paint or two to make sure you can't see any of the old paint, and then we'll be installing the new one. This is what it looks like now.